Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my travel must-haves and how to pack multiple looks for about a 4 or 5 day vacation. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I always travel with my roller luggage, which is about a 20-inch carry-on, along with a oversized tote that's pretty deep so that I can store a lot of stuff in. I start out by planning my outfits based on the activities or places I'm going on my trip, along with creating a checklist. So I always write out every single thing I could possibly need, down to allergy medicine, to chargers, to chapstick, whatever you need on your trip, write it down. Double check your list and you'll never forget anything. So starting with that, I create my checklist. Then I start planning out my outfits and according to weather, and I pack about 30 days before my trip. And then when it gets closer to like about 4 days before my flight, I'll check my bag just in case to go over everything, and then I'll recheck the weather, make sure there hasn't been any crazy changes where I have to rework my looks, because I do not want to get stuck in a situation where I have to buy clothes on vacation or basically can't wear anything that I planned on wearing. So always plan ahead and you'll never have any issues. With my must-have travel items, let's start with these airtight bags. So I ordered these on Amazon. Thankfully, my friend Ray told me about these because she always travels with the carry-on, and I'm like, how is that possible? I can never get away with it. So now that I've discovered these, I can get away with packing about 5 outfits and only take up this amount of space. So I'm going to New Orleans. It's going to be pretty warm and kind of humid, so the clothes are lightweight, and I'm not going to be changing multiple times of the day, so that's another added bonus of saving space. But I have all my outfits in here, along with socks, underwear, PJs, and I'm totally going to have space for tons of shoe options, which is awesome. Another must-have, I posted a video about this years ago on my YouTube channel, is dust bags. So all my shoes go in their dust bags, keeps them from getting any of the dirt on the soles onto transferring to anything that else is in my luggage. So I think it's kind of gross to just toss shoes in luggage. It's like a little OCD moment when I see that. It bothers me, but to each its own. I just encourage you, dust bags. Most shoes come with them nowadays. If not, I'm sure Amazon has like a pack of 20 for like 10 bucks. So going on to a steamer, since I do airtight my bags, or when they're folded or rolled, however you pack, they're gonna get wrinkles depending on the fabric. And I used to use this in my assistant styling days. It's by Jiffy. It's really good. It's super powerful, and it gets out those tight wrinkles that those cheaper handheld steamers might take a while, or you actually might need to borrow an iron at your hotel room. This baby is perfect, and it can take tap water, which is awesome too. Next thing I always take is, I love my skin, so this Flawless Skin Mask by Laura Mercier. It's awesome because I usually knock out on my flights, so just moisturize. It's like a moisturizer, but it's a little bit thicker, and I just rub it all over my face, pass out, and then once I land or flight attendant wakes me up, kind of just tissue off the excess and then rub in the rest, and you'll literally look like you just had a facial. You're automatically glowing. Another thing I like to do is to pack travel size toiletries and skincare. I always buy the Fresh because they always tend to have the whole kit that's travel size. I've used these products, so me switching from my normal skincare routine to these is super easy for me because I don't break out or have any reactions to any of these products, which is great. And I love having travel size, not having to scoop out product into a travel size bottle and worry about all that. I just have my travel set of skincare along with my travel set of makeup, which is not travel size, it's just standard size. I just have a double set so I don't have to mess up my arrangement in my bathroom. Also, another cool thing that I love using is the shower cap. This is my second one so far. I haven't opened it up yet, but I've been using it a little bit over a year. They're like super cute little turbans. They come in tons of prints and patterns. I originally bought the black one. It's super cute, but I thought I'd have fun with the little leather one. Keeps the moisture out. They're long lasting. The black one that I first bought is just now starting to wear out, and I definitely think it's worth the 40 bucks for something that's gonna last that long, and you can reuse it. My other essential are jewelry bags to keep your jewelry nice and safe and keeping them from breaking. This one has 2 little compartments. I keep my rings on one side and an extra pair of earrings. Don't switch up my jewelry that much on shorter trips, just makes it easier. And I always carry headphones. I'm not an earpod person because for some reason I think I have a large earlobes. They fall right out of my ear, so I do wireless headset. I don't know why people talk to you on planes when you're trying not to talk to them. Dudes say I'm intimidating all the time, so I don't understand on planes. I look friendly. I'm not trying to be friendly. I'm just trying to sleep, so just pop on my headphones and I act like I can't hear anyone, even if I'm not listening into anything. My last piece that I love to take is the travel size toiletry bag that has tons of compartments. So I have my makeup, brushes, all my perfume, face oils, hair scarf, deodorant, all that goodness. Also, actually, I forgot. I got this on Amazon. I think I saw it in an Instagram ad, actually. Is this skin cleanser for your body. It's awesome. So you just slip your fingers in there, scrub your whole body, and because it's rubber, it doesn't get dirty like a loofah where you have to throw them out so often. I bought a pack of these, so I have a travel one and then one that stays in my shower, which is awesome. Other than that, that's about it for what I need when I travel. Another fun thing that I just started doing is I bought a journal. This one's really cute. This is my new one. But I used to journal all the time, every day after school as a kid and through high school and stuff. A little bit in college, kind of fell out of it. But my mom suggested that I start journaling on my trips, and it made so much sense because it's like at the end of my day I can write down everything that happened, and then looking back at photos you remember so much more from your trip and memories by having all these cool little details. So that's another fun thing that I'm going to start doing on all my trips this year so that I can have more memories, because I love looking back at my old journals and notebooks with friends through high school and just laughing about old memories. So that's another, not must have, but a cool thing that you can add to. Now for my oversized tote bag. There is plenty of space to add more stuff. I'll usually keep my wallet in this inside pocket. I have my laptop, my headphones, my journal, and the actual purse that I'm carrying for that day when I land. So I could easily fit another pair of shoes and a lightweight outfit in here and be ready to go. And I love the long strap, so in case it's a little too heavy, you can always use the longer strap. Okay, my luggage is closed. I'm gonna open it up. You can see that I have handbags, my clothes, a pair of shoes on that side. Then this side, I have another pair of shoes, the toiletries, and my steamer. And I still have space in my luggage, you guys, so this definitely saves me tons of space and keeps me from checking a bag on shorter trips. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, Stylish Faith, and tune in next week. See you later, guys.